On today's episode, Russell is finishing up installing the C-notch on Crusty, and boy did it get some controversy on our social media platforms, our shorts that we posted.
Yeah, we put it up, got millions of views, tons of comments, and there was a lot of controversy on whether or not we should have bolted this or welded this. And we chose the bolt-in method. You guys leave a note in our comments and let us know what you think we should have done.
Yeah, write us a note. Like
a note.
Write out a note.
A note's the word that came out.
Write us a note, let us know, and then mail it to us.
P.S. I love you.
Alright, if you enjoyed this video, hit that bell notification, the subscribe button, the like button, all those buttons, hit them and do what makes you happy.
Do what makes you happy, guys. So it's Sunday here at the HQ, and we need to get this truck finished up for its new owner. And we put the flip kit in. These new notches bolt in from the top. The older ones you could put in without having to pull the bed, but we had to pull the bed on Crusty. So the bed's off. Got my frame marked here where I need to make my cut. We're gonna do this one side at a time so you don't have too much frame flex. I'm gonna put a jack under the back. We're gonna start cutting and drilling holes, so come on. Like that, even with the filming process, this took me about 40 minutes, and that's moving cameras around and everything. So you just put your head down and do it, and you knock it out. I still have to do the other side, so I'm gonna bust through that, and we'll catch back up when I put it all back down on the ground.